So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, doing what I'm having the most fun doing lately, which is hopefully attempting to make escape. I'm going to use some Anita's white metallic, some folk art neon purple, some color shifting blue that I don't know how old it is or where it came from, some neon pink that I added something to. I can't remember the recipe. I'm so sorry. A bunch of blue that I love that's made from, oh, I'm almost out. Made from Venetian blue with some, oh, come on. With some Anita's white metallic in there. Okay, well, I guess I'm using this, which is an island blue from Anita's. And I'm going to put a little bit of, if I can find it, there we go, the folk art color shifting purple flash, but it really is closed up tight. So I'm going to leave that open for a second. Peel one strand of thread out from inside and put the top back on while you guys wait. What do I want to do? Anything else? I think so. I have some really light purple and I think that's perfect. It's time to make some more. This purple has iridescent pearl fine from Golden in it. I am going to grab that edge catcher. There we go. Dump that paint across. I think I'm going to go up to the top first this time, because I don't do that all that often. And let it go down again. I will fill in my missing places. I kind of want this to be on this side. Feels a lot backwards, but it'll be alright. I'm going to let that go up and come over and move it down and throw it back on again, which sometimes results in some mess. And since I don't like that shape, I'm going to let it go up again. Try and get my edge catcher so it's actually catching something. And I may want to blow around in this one with a straw. So I've got some paint on my edge catcher and I will remove it. But right now, what am I going to do? Right now, I'm going to use a straw to make some changes in my cloud configuration. Oh, I got paint all the way down. And I am going to let... I really wanted this to be a lot simpler than it is. Go figure. And I ran out of the color I wanted to use. So I guess I'm going to do a little mixing right on the canvas. If possible. That looks like maybe more paint than I needed. I'm making a mess today. Fortunately, that's somewhat unusual. I can see that thing. And my tweezers are in the bucket. That's right. Take it out, put it back again. I think those other two things are actually bubbles. So I'm going to push that line of paint right up there. Scrape off my spatula. I'm going to push it up fairly evenly and then let it all pull down. Although that is not looking like it's filled in well enough. So I'm going to make a small adjustment. Give myself some wet paint to add more paint to below. I see that cloud. Or whatever it is on the horizon. And I want that blue to go over that way. And then I'm going to let the excessive and copious amount of paint flow back across the canvas again before I attempt to do anything else. And I do have a sky I like. And I think it would probably be a good idea to take that bubble or that thing out of there. Give a quick torch. I do see that. I'm getting to it. I'm going to take a little paint right off my edge catcher. And fill in the gap. I want to use the rest of that edge catcher paint. But I think I'm going to have to put it into a dish if I want to use it. So it's good for the edges. And I still have some good stripes in there. So don't automatically think all your paint's going to be turned to mud. Especially if it's blue and pink. It'll probably be purple. Because a lot of times, it's not impossible with a spatula at least to rescue paint. There, see again? More. Now, my intention is to utilize all that blue because I can. The name of my first book, it's on the Amazon link. It's under the link tree, which is directly under the video. You might have to open Show More to see it. My website is there. Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group for Students is there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Totes and more if you want to go shopping and see what I've created. I'm going to take that, I'm going to take that paint right off my tile. Because I can. Well, that's a relative statement at the moment. But I'm going to put it right down on my edge catcher. As long as I don't continue paint wrestling 101. There we go. That's a little better. I kind of want to put it in there, don't I? I really want to let that continue to come down. But I didn't want to give up that blue, to tell you the truth. So maybe I'll just have to make my mountains go up and over. In any case, let's just get moving. Now I did just do a painting, and I had colors I really liked in the bottom half of it. Actually, it was a keyhole swipe, so it was in the whole thing. I'm a lot distracted, I'm sorry. And I will, if you have a question about colors, please feel free to ask. I may not always tell you as I'm doing things, but I will always tell you if I can. I don't have any orange in that sky, which is kind of too bad because I'm putting orange in the bottom like it's an important thing. I want some gold, and the gold is right in front of me somewhere here, and I'm looking at it, right? No, I guess it's going to be more Deco Art Americana gold with some orange mixed into it. And the copper. The copper is important. The copper is also sealed up. Let's find a different copper. Oh, and it's not sealed up. Yay. I think it's really important that I put some white in here. And I still want... What am I looking for? Somebody tell me. I don't... I'll know it when I see it, right? I think some of this dioxazine purple, again. Maybe some greens, and that's probably exactly right. My green gold is also sealed up. Gosh, it's been that kind of moment. Ah, it came open. Yay. All right. So I'm going to try not to worry about my edge catcher with the paint all over it or anything else. And I'm going to grab my card and my Floetrol pan. I'm going to use my card and I'm going to dip it all the way across into that Floetrol. I'm going to decide pretty quick what else I want in here. I'm going to use the residuals off the card on the edge of the canvas, and I want something much darker in there. Be helpful if there was something in that bottle. I guess there's the gold I was looking for. Yay. Okay, now we're cooking with gas. I'm going to grab hopefully these colors will work out nicely. Looks like we've got a peninsula over there starting to form. I put that neon purple in there just sort of as a test for myself. I'm tempted to make a body of water at the back by putting some blue across. But it wouldn't matter that much if it were pink because the sky is full of pink anyway. I want a much longer card and some more Floetrol. There's my longer card. Spread my Floetrol out a little bit. Take some color from down here. Put it up there. Go every which way. I'm going to dip my card. I'm going to put the rest of that Floetrol in that dish because it'd be just a lot handier to stop messing around with that. So this is cool. It looks like water to me. Like places I visited in Maine. It needs some mountains in the background. I wonder if there's, yeah, there's a bump there. I need a smooth edge. Well, I think what I'll do is I'll take the paint off there first and cover my end. Cover the edge of the canvas, then switch to the other side. I like, that looks like tide pools to me, kind of, sort of, as long as I don't stick my finger in them too thoroughly. I like the blue showing through on the bottom a lot. Now I do have a small tool that I do like, and I'm going to take some of that paint and use my Floetrol and just dab a few things, and everything can look like reflections in the water. If I run some lines across, I'm not sure. I should have destroyed those marks I just had. I kind of liked them. I'm not as sure I like these as I did, much as I did. Part of me just wants to swipe across that, but I'm really afraid I'm going to make some terrible mud. I do this so often now because I want to learn by doing. I really want a smaller card. I'm not sure why. But you got to use it on the side where it doesn't curl down into the painting and drag the paint off. I think this can go away. I've got 2 minutes and some paint in my dish, and I'm not sure what I can do with it. But I think I'm going to try. Give myself an opportunity to use my leftover. Well, that's a lump of something. It's kind of long to make trees, but I think I can get away with it. I hope so. I'll probably be putting a bunch more black in there that's actually black. So I love you guys. There's 91,000 of you. I'm going to try and find a much shorter card. If you give me a thumbs up, I really appreciate it. So thank you very much to those of you who are feeling helpful and want to do that. If you watch the videos longer, it's a big assistance to me. It tells the YouTube algorithm I'm worth paying attention to. I love you guys. I got 1 minute left to tell you there is a monthly drawing. In the end screen video, you can see the prizes on the exhibition video. I'm probably just going to keep working on my trees for a while longer. And thank you for the wonderful comments and all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. And if you do make a donation to keep me painting again, you'll be also entered into the monthly drawing automatically. And I will be working on my trees, I promise you, because I think I need to turn this around and show it to you before I'm gone. Just imagine that they're filled in, because they're going to be filled in. So I love you guys, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are, thank you for being here. Look at my link tree for Facebook groups and Pinterest and Instagram and Twitter links and my website, and shop the Amazon link if you feel like it at no added cost to you, and look for my books because I can in Unlimited Possibilities. And it's at no added cost to you. And thank you for everything and the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I love you guys. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying bye for now. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. See you soon. Hopefully tomorrow. 1,800 videos on my playlist. Go check them out. Bye.